Wow, these outputs are really insane. Flux with LoRa is so amazing. I can't believe that I am able to make my creativity into life. Must say AI is the future. Imagine this. You have the power to create stunning, hyper-realistic images, completely for free, using nothing more than your browser. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, what if I told you that by the end of this video, you'll have that exact ability at your fingertips? Today, I'm revealing the secret to unlocking free image creation with Flux AI and LoRA, all through Google Colab. And trust me, you won't want to miss a single step, because this is a game changer for anyone into AI art. Welcome back, everyone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss out on the latest tips, tricks, and tutorials. Now, I know what you're thinking. Free image creation? Where's the catch? Well, there isn't one. With Flux AI and LoRA, you can generate high-quality, realistic images without spending a dime. And with Google Colab, you don't even need a powerful computer. So, whether you're a digital artist, content creator, or just curious about AI, this tutorial is going to change how you create forever. Before moving further, understand first what is Flux and LoRA. So, Flux AI is a powerful AI-driven tool designed for creating high-quality, realistic images. It leverages advanced deep learning models to generate visuals that are strikingly lifelike. What sets Flux.ai apart is its integration with Google Colab, which allows users to run complex image generation tasks on the cloud without needing high-end hardware. This makes it accessible to a broader audience, from digital artists to content creators who want to experiment with AI art without significant costs. With the addition of LoRA, low-rank adaptation, users can fine-tune their image outputs even further, adding layers of customization and detail that result in images that are not only realistic, but also personalized to the user's vision. This combination of tools in a free, cloud-based environment makes Flux AI a game changer for anyone interested in AI-generated art. Whether you're looking to create stunning landscapes, intricate portraits, or abstract art, Flux.ai offers a flexible and powerful platform to bring your creative ideas to life. Let's jump right in. First, check out the description for the GitHub link to the Colab notebook we'll be using. Once you're there, follow these simple steps. Go to Runtime in the top menu, select Change Runtime Type, and switch to GPU. This speeds things up massively. Click Save, and then Connect to hook up with the runtime. Or else you can simply click on this dropdown, click on Change Runtime Type Select T4 GPU, and save it, then click on Connect Simple. This will take some time. It will show you connecting. Please wait for a while. Once you're connected, it's time to start the setup. Run the first cell in the notebook to install all the dependencies and download the Flux AI and LoRA models. This might take a few minutes, but trust me, it's worth the wait. Here, I have skipped some time because it takes a little while. After everything loads, you'll see two URLs, one for Gradio and another for Hugging Face Spaces. In Hugging Face Spaces, you will get several tools to use, like Midjourney, several upscalers, Stable Diffusion, etc. You can play with these tools for free. Click on the Gradio link, and voila! You've just launched Flux with an easy-to-use interface that takes the complexity out of creating stunning images. Now, here's where the real fun begins. You will see this interface and already a prompt is mentioned over here. No issues, I will run this first, but before that, here are plenty of options available. Width, height, steps, and a few more related to LoRA. Okay, now I will change a few things first, and then run this given prompt. Now changing width to 2048, steps till 28. Guidance is okay, other things are okay. Just change the sampler to DPM2. Now click on Generate, and this will take a little while. When you guys will try, maybe it will take more time than usual, or may not. So do not worry, it will run without any issue, that's sure. Okay, now, here is the output. You can also download this image by clicking the download button on the top right corner of image. I must say the output is really good. It has considered all words from the prompt to create a proper anime image, and other stuff is also well defined in the image. Now moving forward, clearing this prompt and trying more to create images, just type in your prompt. Anything from a surreal landscape to a detailed portrait. The more specific, the better the outcome. Then hit submit and watch as your idea comes to life. So I am giving a prompt to create an image of Elon Musk, holding a board in which "I am rich" is written, and in the background, I am adding a few objects like expensive cars and jet plane, etc. Now changing the width to 2048 again for this image, steps till 25 only. Changing the sampler name to DMPP2M, and in the last hit, on generate. Again, it will take some time to create the image, wait for a while, but I must say, wait is worth it. And here we got the result. Wow, it's really amazing. The image is stunning. As per my imagination, it looks exactly like Elon Musk. It has clarity of words. No words to say, this tool is the best in 2024 till now. I have also created several images, and here are the outputs. You can also create these images. I will suggest you to play with this. Use different settings and options. So create as many images as you can, use your creative brain to create these kinds of images, and really you will get to learn new things and bring your imagination to life. You can also create an image to videos absolutely free. I have uploaded full guide video for that also. You will get the link in the description below or an I button. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and of course, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy creating.